Hey, EcoSmart fam! Did you know that 40% of food in the US goes to waste? Let's tackle food waste with these 3 easy tips anyone can do. 1. Plan your meals. By planning meals ahead, you'll buy only what you need and avoid waste. Host using a meal planner and showing a grocery list. 2. Store food properly. Keep fruits and veggies fresher longer by storing them in the right conditions. 3. Compost food scraps. Turn food scraps into compost for your garden instead of sending them to the landfill. Host adding vegetable scraps to a small compost bin. Which tip will you start using to reduce food waste? Let me know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more eco-friendly tips.